These top 15 organiser bags are the key to your dream vacation. I'm Jen from Travels Unfiltered, and it's time to get into it. Starting off at number 15, we recommend this tech pouch by Peak Design. Designed with ingenious origami-style pockets, this waterproof pouch is the perfect solution for storing all your essentials. Although it's made for storing tech gear like SD cards, batteries and chargers, even allowing for cable pass-throughs for effortless device charging, it's also great for packing everyday gear or travel necessities. No matter what you're storing, the tech pouch truly redefines organisation and accessibility. With various pockets and a shape-holding design, this pouch is an ideal choice for travellers looking to streamline their packing process. Next in at number 14, we can't go past this Silicone travel makeup brush holder by LYOB. This sleek and spacious organiser is perfect for storing makeup brushes, cosmetics and small toiletries, making it easy to carry and store. Crafted from smooth yet strong silicone, it offers excellent protection from the elements and can even hold other essentials on the go. The added bonus of a built-in brush cleaner simplifies your routine. With a magnetic anti-fall closure, this organiser keeps everything secure while ensuring quick and convenient access. It's a must-have for your travel beauty needs. Coming in at number 13, we suggest this watch organiser by Elegance. Safely accommodating up to 3 watches, it's perfect for on-the-go use. What sets it apart is its superior construction. Crafted from a solid plastic mould, it's built to endure. With dividers to prevent watches from shifting, it accommodates both large and small watch styles. The ultra-soft cushion secures your timepieces, making it suitable for men's and women's watches. This convenient, durable and affordable solution ensures your watches stay protected and stylish on your journeys. Ranked at number 12, we recommend Terra Home's Portable Bathroom Organiser. Its practical design ensures all your toiletries stay organised and not scattered across your hotel bathroom. With 6 adjustable holders, it accommodates full-sized containers and offers a range of stylish colours. The large metal hook is perfect for hanging it conveniently. This compact, durable and well-ventilated shower caddy is a travel essential. With its numerous compartments, spill prevention and quick drying features, it's a versatile solution for any traveller. Next at number 11 on our list, we suggest this hair tie organiser by Kathfly. These organisers offer a cute and space-saving way to store your hair accessories, jewellery, cotton swabs and more. Made from safe and durable materials with a secure button switch, these containers ensure your items stay in place during your adventures. Their stackable design maximises space efficiency, making them perfect for your suitcase or handbag. Stay organised and enjoy peace of mind while on the go with these practical spill-proof organisers. Next in at number 10, we recommend these shoe organiser bags by BeeGreen. These handy bags are the perfect solution to keep your shoes and luggage organised. Measuring 16.5 by 4.7 by 8.6 inches, they accommodate a wide range of shoe types, making them suitable for both men and women. The portable handle and superior zippers make them incredibly convenient for travel, while the various patterns add a touch of style. Plus, they're machine washable, ensuring longevity and cleanliness. Say goodbye to messy rooms and suitcases with these efficient and colourful travel companions. Coming in at number 9, we suggest this Boshku sunglasses organiser. If you're a traveller who values their eyewear, this case is a must-have. Unlike bulky, flimsy alternatives, this compact and stylish organiser provides safe and scratch-resistant storage for up to 5 pairs of glasses. Its individual compartment straps keep each pair secure, making it the best organiser on the market. Whether you're at home or on the go, your glasses and small accessories will remain protected. Plus, it rolls up into a neat pentagon-shaped box for easy packing. Ranked at number 8 on our list, we recommend this Barefoot Caribou Hair Tools travel bag. This 2-in-1 hair tool holder is a versatile and essential addition to your travel gear. It accommodates a wide range of hairstyling tools, offering heat-resistant protection with its interior mat. With spacious interior pockets, it keeps your hair essentials organised, making it a must-have for travel. Crafted from heavy-duty neoprene, this portable organiser is both durable and stylish, ensuring your hair tools remain secure and protected throughout your journey. Next at number 7 on our list, we suggest these compression packing cubes by BagSmart. These innovative travel essentials come in 2, 4 or 6 set options, allowing you to effectively organise your luggage. The compression feature is a game changer, helping you to save space by compacting your clothes, letting you pack double the amount. They are durable, and the added ID tag pocket is a thoughtful touch. Plus, their lightweight design ensures you won't exceed your luggage weight limit. Coming in at number 6 on our list, we recommend the Peak Design 30-litre Everyday Backpack. This iconic award-winning pack is designed for both everyday use and carrying tech gear. With its lightning-fast top access and dual side access through its weatherproof zips, it offers unmatched convenience. Inside, customizable flex-fold dividers keep your gear extremely organised and protected. It boasts dedicated sleeves for laptops and tablets, as well as numerous pockets for small items. This backpack's expandable capacity, sleek design, and durable weatherproof construction make it the best backpack for travelling. It's the ultimate choice for versatile, organised, and stylish travel experiences. Ranked at number 5, we suggest this daily pill organiser by FYY for those seeking a convenient and reliable solution to keep vitamins, supplements, and medications organised on the go. Crafted from high-quality food-grade PP material, this portable pill case is not only durable, but also odourless and BPA-free. Its 7 compartments, including 6 small ones for pills and 1 large for capsules and vitamins, are protected by clear lids that allow easy identification without opening them. Compact and practical, this pill organiser is ideal for travel and everyday use. Next at number 4 on our list, we recommend this Hidden Money Travel Belt by Boxiki. This RFID blocking slim passport holder is designed to keep your essentials hidden and secure, safeguarding your valuables against pickpockets and digital theft. With multiple compartments and pockets, it accommodates all your travel necessities while remaining comfortable thanks to its premium materials. Stay organised and protected with this essential travel accessory. Next in at number 3, we recommend this jewellery organiser case by Angelina's Palace. Designed for everyday use, it ensures your jewellery remains damage-free with its silk satin lining. This elegant case strikes the perfect balance between size and functionality, offering space for necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings, all easily accessible. With its double metal zippers and vegan leather surface, it exudes style and durability. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a vacation, this travel case is our go-to solution for keeping jewellery safe, organised, and tangle-free. For number 2 on our list, we suggest this TSA-approved leak-proof toiletry set by LYOB. Designed for the modern traveller, these 3-ounce containers for toiletries are a game-changer. Their compact, squeezable, and refillable design, combined with the durable BPA-free silicone material, keeps your liquids safe and sound during your adventures. The convenient carry case makes them perfect for business trips, hiking, camping, or hitting the gym, and the TSA-approved size ensures hassle-free air travel. Stay organised and worry-free with these grab-and-go travel essentials. Finally, coming in at number 1, we highly recommend this passport wallet from Ironclad. If you're a traveller seeking organisation and security during your journeys, the Ironclad Travel Passport Wallet with RFID blocker is a must-have companion. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly and water-resistant Oxford fabric, this slim and elegant travel wallet keeps your documents safe from abrasion, dirt and splashes. With its multiple pockets including 4 passport slots, 3 credit card slots, 2 SIM card slots and a boarding pass slot, it simplifies your travel experience and can hold up to 4 passports, making it an essential travel accessory. To purchase these items, check out the links in the description box of this video. If you're in the process of planning your next vacation, then you need to check out our Travel Essentials and Recommendations playlist. It has everything you need to fully prepare for your vacation, like the best luggage sets, essential travel items, and much more. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time!